Today I'm speedrunning making thumbnails because I decided that some of my older thumbnails, especially with Punch Out, needed a bit of a revamp as they did not look great. So you can see I'm getting my boxing arena look now. I've gone with this because it's quite a nice look and it's thematic with Punch Out. And there we go, getting Super Macho Man's picture. It's just going through the video, getting snipping tool open, and taking it from that, which is quite good. Doing all this below 40 seconds, that is brilliant. I've go to this website to get the PNGs, which you will see, which converts it into getting rid of the background, which is an amazing tool. Oh, it's such a good tool. Same with what tool you'll see later, which is WordArt, which is where I get my text from. Brilliant. I had to take my picture before this recording because of the fact of camera and OBS are very funny about the two being open at the same time because camera doesn't like it. But well, I always resize myself so I actually look appropriate to the people, to whoever I'm fighting, which is quite good. And then here we are on WordArt, get the nice text there. Yep. Contender, Super Macho Man, which is pretty good. And yeah, finishing off the last little bit here. Put in the text, lift it up a little bit, and there. Brilliant.